Hello again. I'm not sure what's in this box. We're gonna find out. I order stuff on AliExpress most of the time because it's cheaper than eBay, but it takes like 2 weeks to a month for that stuff to arrive. So I'm not even sure if there's a model inside of this, but we're gonna find out if I ordered what I ordered. I'll know when I see it. So Chinese newspaper. Can you really trust a newspaper from a communist country? Like, something about a parking lot? There's a bunch of videos on a bunch of abandoned electric vehicles because it's all a money scam. Oh, I see. We have a HHQ thing. Okay, well, nice. I did order this. So it's a Tesla as a police vehicle. Well, I couldn't find images of a Hong Kong or a Chinese Tesla Model S as a police vehicle because frankly it doesn't make sense for a Tesla to be a police vehicle. I read an article, police cars are usually sitting idle, you know, cranking the air conditioning. They also need to charge all their electronic radios and other gadgetry that police officers use. Also, you would have to recharge every Tesla after every shift, and if you don't, the cop's gonna run out of range when they're on duty. Also, police mechanics don't want to be dealing with this. They don't understand, right? So, it's too advanced, I think, for it to be a fleet vehicle for the police. Alright, well anyways, there are a few police departments apparently that do use this, but I imagine it's not the standard. This is Luxembourg. Alright, well, let's see. I do have a few other HHQ toys. These wheels I think are specific to a Model S, just maybe not the photographs that we looked at. The tires are a little bit rounded. They could be, I guess that's okay. That's okay. White, unfortunately, has a hard time covering up plastic, so you can see the corners of the molding there. But the door handles, they're molded nicely. The printing is pretty good. It's all paint. It's not a decal. There's even this little, whatever that thing is on the car. I don't know if it's a light or a vent or both. The window molding looks good. You can see it's kind of a smoked plastic. I like that this thing actually has mirrors already attached, and there's actually silver paint there, or actually it's a reflective sticker, I think. I'm not sure, but it's nice. The light bar is looking good. It's clear blue and red, and in the middle is printed with police. We have an ID number up here, some sort of Chinese text and police. If you're unaware, this is a pullback toy. I didn't pull that back very much. Huh, you know what? Just slow. Strange. Okay. Nice to see something in the license plate printed on. The Tesla badge is actually legible. Like, it looks like a T, right? Kinda. Well, that could have been better, but it's not bad. There's black around it, black in here, black in here. A nice silver there as well. Though this is just paint, silver, and I think that's clear of the body here. Okay, so you can see the spring motor there. It looks like a standard HHQ size, but for some reason it's not very powerful. And they actually have a dashboard with a tiny, goofy looking steering wheel there. This side here looks pretty good. Yeah, I like the wheels. They even have 5 lug nuts. Okay. Then we have the hazard warning. This is printed pretty well. And the taillights, they have a nice metallic red, silver, and black. That silver stripe. The police, the license plate is good. Police printed down here. No paint in this. I assume these are probably reflectors, but it's better to have the paint everywhere else. There actually is a Tesla badge molded in here. And then there's blackout for the rear window, silver chrome around the side windows, and blackout on the windscreen. So the bottom is a screw and it's transparent. We know it's around from 2018. This is a tab to hold the back down. There's some treads here as well, and the tires are rubbery because it is a pullback toy. So all in all, pretty good, and particularly the stance is good. It looks like a modern stance. It's not too gappy, but you can still obviously play with it if you want to. It's really too nice to play with, I think. If you really played with this, these mirrors would just break off the first day you played around with this. It's supposed to be look like a goofy Tesla, and it does, and that's what I like. So I didn't really talk about the packaging, but I really wish they didn't do this. Who is going to display their toy with a giant blister on it, right? This is just a giant waste of plastic that's going to end up in the ocean and then in your food and eventually in your kid's liver, right? So I really wish companies would get away from all this extra garbage they're making people buy. All I want is that in a cardboard box, or maybe a blister like Mini GT does. And then it's still wrapped with cardboard here. So, yeah. It's a nice toy and all, but I don't see a reason for me to buy all this stuff. It's just going to throw it into the trash barrel. Alright, let's get back to the toy itself. So this is a... I don't have too many alternative energy vehicles. Here's a CNG powered bus by HHQ. Mount Fuji Evergreen shuttle thing. Okay. It's got nice details for a HHQ bus, that is. Here's an old bus. Now this is from like World War II or post World War II. It's actually, this is like a wood burning stove that was used to power up the bus because the country was just nuclear bombed twice. They don't have gas stations all over the place, right? So they're literally burning trees to get people around again. Here's a HHQ, another one. This is a nice Mercedes wagon, van, I guess. But it doesn't actually have the Mercedes star, so it's totally unlicensed. But they avoided legal pursuit by not having the star, I guess. This is from 2019. And again, I'm pretty sure it came in the silly box. But I like the mirrors, and it's nicely molded. This one actually has clear taillights, very nice, and clear headlights. And I guess this is the most modern casting other than this Tesla. This is a GTR 35. This is by HHQ Zero. It's number 56 in the lineup. I don't like the coin holders. The coin holder detracts from the appearance, right? I don't want to see just a big rectangle on the back of my deformed cars. But that's a signature of HHQ, apparently. I wish they got away from it, though. All the other ones look, well, these two look better because they don't have it. So, just a random mix of cartooned vehicles. So it's really cool that HHQ did make this Tesla, because for some reason HHQ doesn't. It would be nice if TinyQ made more stuff, but they don't. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next deformed video.